So we're all stuck at home doing a lot more work on our computer, on screens in general. I want to give you some tips if you're experiencing any kind of neck pain. One of the reasons why we get neck pain is that we're spending a prolonged period of time maybe slunched over, working on a laptop, or looking down at a screen. So a lot of pain can develop because of increased stress on those tissues in that area. So what we're going to do, you'll take a simple hand towel. You'll take the hand towel, fold it in half, and then roll the hand towel into a cylinder and then secure that with about 3 rubber bands. That is a great tool. We can use it for a lot of different things for self-care and making you feel better when you have a little bit of neck pain or back pain. The importance of this towel roll is that it creates a counter force to help mobilize the joints between your thoracic segments in the upper back and between the thoracic segments and your ribs. So with breathing, your ribs and your spine move. Lying on this towel roll on a firm surface encourages that movement and gives you a little bit more weight distribution so that you feel more comfortable. Another thing you can do to help with neck pain is to do some stretching. So get up, stand up out of that chair, gently bring your ear down to your shoulder, and you'll feel a stretch over here on the side of your neck. You can use your hand to intensify that stretch by just letting it rest gently on your head. You can use your hand to help you come back upright when you've done that. Another stretch is to bring your nose down to an imaginary pocket on your shirt. Go ahead and have that same hand come up and rest on the back of your head, and now you'll feel the stretch in your back quadrant, the back quarter of the neck. Again, use your hand to bring yourself back upright. Another stretch is done in standing. You can clasp your fingers together and outstretch your arms while you bow your back in the opposite direction. This creates a nice stretch in the upper back and in the shoulder blade area. Let your neck come down as you do that to get a nice stretch in that area. Another stretch is to stand in a doorway with your hands on either side of the door lintel, shoulders down away from your ears, and gently step through the door, allowing the arms to gently come back, and that will stretch the muscles in the front of your chest, the pectoralis muscles. Another stretch is to sit in a chair and cross one ankle over the opposite knee. Again, come up very tall in the chair, almost as if you're sticking your tailbone out away from you, and gently hinge forward at the hips with a straight back. You should feel a good stretch in the buttock of the side that the ankle is on the knee. So you'll feel a stretch in that buttock area. And the last stretch is again in standing. You're going to take one arm and hold on to the doorway and the leg of the same side and step back, big step back, and lean back so that you get a good stretch in the back area or the latissimus muscle. All of these stretches should be held for about 5 deep breaths or until a comfortable release is felt. Never feel pain with stretch. It should only feel like a release of tension. Breathing is your friend. It helps release tension in the muscles and helps you feel more calm and at ease.